By now, you may have heard what's going on in the sky. Jupiter and Saturn coming closer and closer together, the closest they've been in centuries. This great conjunction happens about once every 20 years. Last time it happened was in 2000, and the next time it'll happen is in 2040. Basically, the two planets are coming closer and closer together, and in fact, they'll look like they're almost one in the sky tomorrow night. If you look after sunset in the southwestern sky, you'll see the bright light. This will be the closest that they have been in nearly 8 centuries, and they'll still be millions of miles apart. But to us here, it's going to look like they're coming right together. So that's something to watch for tomorrow night in the sky. Let's hope that we can clear out some of these clouds. In the morning, we'll be dealing with fog and then some afternoon sunshine tomorrow. Middle of the week looks somewhat quiet, at least Tuesday and Wednesday. And then by Christmas Eve, our next storm arrives. And this is going to be a bit of a whopper in terms of temperatures. Ahead of the storm, it's going to be much warmer for Christmas Eve, and then blustery and much colder for Christmas Day going into next weekend. Right now, we're looking at a lot of cloud cover over the area, and again, some fog will be developing during the early morning hours. Visibility coming down a bit. It's actually increased a bit at the airport at 4 miles, but 2 miles in Petersburg and Emporia, 1.5 miles in Wakefield. So again, Metro Richmond points south, especially going to be dealing with some areas of potentially dense fog during the wee hours of the morning. Temperatures will get down into the low and mid 30s in most places. Off to the northwest, we may see a few readings in the upper 20s. And during the day tomorrow, we'll inch up close to 50 degrees, hoping that we'll get a little bit of sunshine in the afternoon. In terms of the temperature trend over the next week, notice that bump. By Christmas Eve, we hit 60 degrees, and we drop into the 30s for Christmas Day going into the long holiday weekend. So cloud cover hangs tight overnight into the morning hours, a little bit of fog, and then by the afternoon, the clouds will break up a little bit, and hopefully, keep your fingers crossed, we'll be able to see that great conjunction during the evening if we get enough breaks in the clouds. We'll leave a front coming through tomorrow evening. This is 9 o'clock. It might be a passing shower, mainly across northern Virginia. Otherwise, we're in and out of the clouds. So again, fingers crossed for that show in the sky tomorrow. We'll clear out for Tuesday morning for sure, and looks nice into Tuesday afternoon, even Wednesday. A lot of sunshine. Will start chilly, warm up a little bit in the afternoon, and warm up a lot more on Thursday ahead of an approaching front and storm that'll bring some rain to the area. This is Thursday morning into Thursday evening. Notice snow back to the west on Christmas Eve in parts of West Virginia. And the backside, we might see a few flurries in the air for Christmas morning. Definitely a gusty wind and a lot colder for Christmas Day going into next weekend. In terms of temperatures, the cold is here to stay for a while. These little shots of cold air continuing to come down from central Canada into the Great Lakes in our neighborhood, probably at least through the end of the year. All right, overnight tonight, mostly cloudy, some areas of fog, about 35 in Richmond, upper 20s well off to the north and west where we may see some breaks in the clouds. A lot of clouds in the morning tomorrow, and then a little bit of sunshine, a few slivers of blue in the afternoon, 45 at lunchtime, and the high temperature tomorrow right about 50 degrees. Some dry days Tuesday and Wednesday. Notice Wednesday morning really chilly, then breezy, warmer on Christmas Eve with rain. Could be a few flurries in the air Christmas morning, and for Kwanzaa, a dry but chilly day on Saturday.